President of the United States of America.
Yes, there's a cheer in the crowd once again, and the big moment is here.
A proud moment for every
Prime Minister Narendra Modi waiting to receive all our distinguished guests and dignitaries. President Barack Obama arrives at Rajpath, being greeted very warmly by Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Barack Obama, the President of the United States of America, the First Lady, Mrs. Michelle Obama.
And the First Lady Michelle Obama, a picture of elegance and grace.
अमेरिका के राष्ट्रपति बराक ओबामा और उनकी पत्नी मिशेल ओबामा का आगमन राजपथ पर। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने उनकी अगवानी की और यहां बूंदाबांदी लगातार हो रही है और ऐसा माना जाता है कि शुभ कार्यों में बारिश आना बहुत ही शुभ है।
So as the heavens gently send down their blessings too, the arrival of the President of the United States of America, Mr. Barack Obama, and his wife, Mrs. Michelle Obama, here at the saluting base.
Yesterday, President Barack Obama wished India with a Pyar Bhara Namaskar, waving to the crowds again, now being escorted to the saluting days from where they'll view today's parade. President Barack Obama's visit to India is in acceptance of one of the most significant honors that India can bestow on any foreign leader. President Obama creating history by being the first US president to be chief guest at our Republic Day celebrations. Meeting now with the Vice President of India, Mr. Mohammad Hamid Ansari. And India welcomes President Barack Obama and the First Lady with great warmth and joy.
President Obama's visit, as we know, he is the first US president to visit India twice, along with his wife, Mrs. Michelle Obama. And as the chief guest of our 66th Republic Day celebrations, it is an opportunity to make concrete progress and script a new chapter in the relations between the two countries.
का संयुक्त बैंड सूबेदार मेजर डी प्रभाकरण के नेतृत्व में ये धुन बजा रहा है रश्मि।
And brightening up
पर अब आगमन हो रहा है दक्षिण मध्य क्षेत्र सांस्कृतिक केंद्र नागपुर महाराष्ट्र के कलाकारों का, जो प्रस्तुत करेंगे लेझीम।
India's 66th Republic Day celebration.
और अब समय है रोमांच का। सीमा सुरक्षा बल के जवान राजपथ पर बारी बारी से मोटरसाइकिल पर हैरत अंगेज करतब दिखाएंगे। इन जवानों के कारण